Here is a dua that is very powerful, made by the Prophet ﷺ, and if you were to make it, Allah will help you. Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramik waghnini bifadlika amman siwak. O Allah, make sufficient for me that which is halal. Grant me sufficiency in that which is halal against that which is haram. Make me so happy with what is halal that I don't have to look at haram. Imagine you have your own spouse. This dua is asking Allah to make you so happy and satisfied with your spouse that you don't even need to look towards haram. And if it were to dangle in front of you, you would still look away, because you are asking Allah, Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramik. Oh Allah, grant me sufficiency in halal so that I don't fall into haram. Waghnini bifadlika amman siwak. Powerful dua. Oh Allah, grant me independence in such a way that I don't depend for sustenance on anyone besides you. What a good dua. You know, sustenance is a difficult thing. You have a job. Sometimes people compromise their morals and values and even faith just because they need to earn $1 or $2, because they can't make ends meet. وَغْنِنِي بِفَضْلِكَ عَمَّنْ سِوَاكَ. Oh Allah, grant me sufficiency. Make me financially independent. Make me independent in every way so that I depend on no one besides you. Oh Allah, may Allah grant that to us.